This is my meme coin. Looks cool, right? Just 10 minutes ago, it didn't even exist, and now it's already taking over DEXs. Right now, I'll show you the entire process from scratch. We'll create a token, pump it, and I'll tell you about the rug pull. I've been creating coins for several years, and if you're watching this video, it means you want to do it too. Memecoins are tons of coins that skyrocket in seconds for no apparent reason, while having a massive community of people who are crazy about them. So getting holders for a Memecoin won't be difficult if you just follow what I do. First things first, go to Deck Screener and look for a Memecoin that has pumped well recently. All right, I'll pick this one. Name Bus House looks pretty good. At first it dropped, but then it pumped from 0 to a 3 million market cap. Those are crazy numbers. Just imagine if you own 50% of the tokens and it pulled off a 2,300 times. All right, we picked the coin and now we need to copy it. Yes, my tactic is copying viral meme coins, and believe me, it works great. I use the exact same tool every time to create meme coins. It's simple, doesn't take much time, and most importantly, it helps the meme coin reach the top. That's because it publishes the token, not only on Deck Screener, but also on all major trading platforms like Axiom and Photon. Check out the description of this video. I left a link to the tool there. I used to help people create meme coins before, and I always told them, don't use pump.fun. You have no idea how many buyers you lose by using it. Let's move on to creating the token. I click the Create Token button, and it redirects us to the creation page. Now we need to transfer all the necessary info from Deck Screener right here. The supply must be exactly 1 billion. That's a standard number for everyone, so just add 3 zeros to this value. Keep decimals at 9. Of course, upload the Memecoin icon and copy the description. You can also add social links here. Always add them if the original Memecoin has them. Also turn on this feature. That's the one I was talking about. And activate the Luna liquidity pool. It's very convenient. Next to the 3 main functions. You should always leave them enabled. Freeze authority, min authority, and update authority. Now we add liquidity to the coin, which is a crucial part of creating a Memecoin. Your profit will depend on this. By adding Solana to liquidity, you don't lose it. You still own it and can withdraw it at any moment. Usually I use 10 SOL to create a pool and consider that the best option. But if you don't have that much SOL, you can still create mem coins. You can add even 1 or 0.5 SOL to liquidity. Just for this video, I'll be using 2 Solana. You can use as much as you want, but remember that the amount of SOL you receive later depends on this. Everything is ready. We can proceed to minting. All right, connecting the wallet. It shows us information on how the coin will be minted. 2 steps are required here. Let's proceed. Here are our tokens. They haven't loaded on the network yet, but in a couple of minutes, everything will be fine. Confirming the Memecoin mint. Everything succeeded, and now we can observe the creation process. Finalizing. Great, the Memecoin is launched, and it appeared on all trading platforms. Let's go check DEX. Here's our coin already trading. Now anyone can buy it anywhere. We can also see that the coin appeared in the liquidity pool tab. The data hasn't fully loaded yet, but that's no big deal. A few seconds and everything will be okay. Just look at how many people are already trading this meme coin. But that's not all. Let's wait for some large buys, and I'll explain. I'll speed up the video. Just look at that candle. I think it's prime time. A rug pull waits for no one. The main thing is not to miss the moment and act right now. Let's check our liquidity pool. Liquidity. Wow, there is 13 SOL in the pool. Let's withdraw quickly. Come on, it might go up. All right, setting to max. Let's do this. Success. We did it. Let me check Phantom Wallet. 15 minutes have passed since the Memecoin's creation, and I already have results. 17 SOL arrived in my balance. Why not become a developer right now? Look, there's no liquidity left in the coin, just $1. All the users who held this token are now trying to sell it. I hope this video was informative. I left all the necessary links in the description. Good luck with Memecoins.